Let me show you a strategy you can use to start earning $500 and above every month from YouTube. All you need to get started is your mobile phone, access to the internet, and a level of commitment. The strategy is so smart that you can start earning from it as soon as you are ready. This works worldwide, so you can do it from anywhere you are in the world. So you've seen people make a lot of money on YouTube every month, and you're struggling to get started, maybe because you're camera shy or you work in an organization that does not allow you do something like this. Well, I am here for you because this strategy will allow you create YouTube channel, grow it, and start getting paid without showing your face. So it's called faceless channel. And one amazing thing about faceless videos is that they are easy to create. You don't have to worry about studio. You don't have to worry about what you're going to put on. You don't even have to go prepare for the videos. So you can make these videos from the comfort of your bedroom, even while on pajamas, because we don't get to see you. All we need is your voice, and then your videos are created. Now, you know what that means? It means you're going to create as many videos as possible. And of course, you know, on YouTube, your ability to create more content increases your chances of earning a lot of money at the end of the month. So if you're wondering, how is this going to be possible? Well, look at these channels. All these channels are faceless channels. The owners of these channels have never shown their faces in the video for once, and they are earning consistently from these videos. Now look at this. This particular video is a compilation of images. You can see how many views it has gotten. All the owner did was just go on internet and download images, put them together, add the music, and a video is ready. I'm going to show you step by step how to get this done. If you stick to the end of this video, you are definitely going to learn something that will help you get started immediately. It takes 5 steps to get this done, and I'm going to share all of them with you. Before we jump into the 5 steps, if this is your first time seeing me, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if you're looking for a guide on how you can start earning money from the comfort of your home, then you're watching the right video. Do well to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Now, with that said, let's jump into the 5 steps of creating a profitable YouTube channel that will start paying you in no time. The first step is pick a profitable niche. I need to let you know that not all niches are profitable. There are channels that get a lot of views, but they don't get a lot of money. And there are some channels that don't get a lot of views, yet they make more money than those that get views. So you want to go for a niche that fits who you are and is also profitable. These are niches with high CPM. So at the end of the day, you'll be able to generate a reasonable income from your videos. Here is a list of profitable niches on YouTube you should go for. Making videos on any of these topics will guarantee you make between $500 to $2,000 every month because they are high CPM niches, which means videos on these topics get paid higher for ads placed on them. So once you've picked a niche for yourself, the next step would be to create and optimize your channel. It takes less than 3 minutes to create a YouTube channel, and then you go on to optimize. By optimizing, you need to make sure you are using relevant keywords. These keywords should be included in your channel's name as well as the description. For a step-by-step how to create a YouTube channel with your mobile phone, I made this 5 minutes video that will show you everything you need to know. Link to the video is contained in the description. Now that you've created your channel, the next step would be to go on and start creating videos using royalty-free images and videos. By royalty-free images, I do mean you have to use images and pictures that you have the right to use in your videos. Not all images and videos you see out there are free to be used. So you have to use only the ones you have the permission to use. The next question is, where do you get these free images and videos you can turn into video and use on your channel? So here are a number of websites where you can get these free stock images and videos. You have Pexels, Pixabay, Unsplash, and the rest of them. Let's say your channel is all about fashion. You want to talk about trendy clothes and a whole lot of other things. On this website, you can see a lot of amazing videos and images you can download absolutely free, convert them to videos during the editing, and then use them for your channel. Now, with these videos, you can get monetized and be able to earn consistent income from your channel. And like I said, since it's a faceless channel, you can create as many videos as you want in a day, because you don't really have to show yourself. You don't have to worry about makeup, about your background, about the music, and a whole lot of other things. Basically, you're going to be doing voice over videos where you use your voice, say whatever you want to say in the video, and then you match that voice with related pictures, images, and videos to compile a video. So for this fashion channel, you can also check out fashion blogs and even Facebook groups to get inspiration and also get beautiful images you can use in your videos. It's so simple, guys, and you can do this. And the first step is to edit the video. Now that you get that images and videos you can make a video out of, the next thing would be to go on and create the video. So at this stage, you need to learn video editing, and don't worry, because it's something you can do with your mobile phone. So I have an online course that shows you how to edit video like a pro with your mobile phone. So in this course, you're going to learn how you can turn collection of pictures into amazing videos. It covers everything you need to know about mobile video editing, how to add pictures, how to add video inside of your video, add text, and a whole lot of other things that will make the video look very professional and appealing. The link to the course is contained in the description of this video. Go on and click on the link and get access to this course so you learn everything about mobile video editing. So the fifth step is to publish the video on your channel. Get people to watch the video. Once your channel is monetized, you start earning consistently from your videos. Now, to get monetized on YouTube, all you need is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and things will start happening for you on autopilot. Like I mentioned, one of the things it takes to get monetized as soon as possible is creating quality videos. Make sure to optimize your videos. It helps a lot in getting views and subscribers. So if you are playing in a very profitable niche that a lot of people love the content you put out, it takes few months to get this done. In case you're wondering, is this easy to be done? Yes, it is. I created a faceless channel in November last year. In less than 2 months, that channel started performing better than a channel that I've spent years building in terms of views and even in terms of CPM, in terms of revenue generation. So it's something I have done and gotten result in, and I'm very sure it will work for you if you put in the work. So on that channel, I was able to get about 2 of my videos go viral. It really helped in getting me a lot of subscribers and watch hour. So it didn't take long for that channel to get monetized, and as I speak with you, it is doing well. And I haven't even shown my face for 1 day there. So this is something I know that if you put in the work, you're going to start getting results also, because it's something you can do. So let me know in the comments if you're going to start today. Also, feel free to ask questions if you have any. See you in my next video. Bye.